I've made this stand for my 80-litre conical fermenter. I've just finished one batch of beer, so we do know it works. It's made with 2 iron hoops, scrap iron hoops. The top one's about 16 inches in diameter and the bottom one is about 14 inches in diameter and is spaced off the legs, which are 4x1. Spaced off the legs by 3 or 4 nuts. The whole thing's fastened together with 6mm gutter bolts with wing nuts on. I've got a little bit of split polythene pipe around the bottom hoop to protect the fermenter. I don't know whether it's necessary or not, but it seemed like a good idea. I welded the hoops together, but if you're not too sure of your welding, you could quite easily lap them over and put a nut and bolt through. There we are. That's the fermenter in its stand. The bottom hoop is about 16 inches from the table and the top hoop is about 33 inches. Not critical measurements. It could possibly have done to be a bit higher because you can only fit a small receptacle between the table and the tap here. But that's a trade-off between the height of the top of the thing for filling. And it worked last time, so I'm leaving it as it is.